The Barreto Manufacturing 23CD concrete dumper is a powerful and versatile addition to the lineup of high-quality Barreto equipment. The 23CD concrete dumper features the Briggs Vanguard 23 horsepower V-twin engine, an incredibly powerful and reliable gas-powered engine that is extremely efficient and requires low maintenance, which means less time with your mechanic, more time in the field, and maximum return on investment. The 23CD concrete dumper is a full-size machine that has some of the same key features as other Barreto tracked machines, like the innovative track system that is combined with a frame design that provides both unmatched stability and nimble maneuverability. And the all-hydraulic operation means smooth and powerful handling, and with a 5.5 horsepower forward speed, this machine is efficient on the job site. The 23CD concrete dumper features a high-volume bucket capacity that has a payload capacity of 2,200 pounds and a 180-degree pivot angle, as well as a 90-degree dump angle on the massive bucket. And at 35 inches wide on 9-inch tracks, the machine has 760 square inches of ground contact and a low center of gravity, making it stable to operate even on unlevel terrain. And the 23CD concrete dumper weighs only 2,060 pounds and can be hauled on most utility trailers and easily towed behind any vehicle to the job site. And like all Barreto manufacturing equipment, the 23CD concrete dumpers are safe and very easy to use, starting with the control panel, featuring well-labeled levers and controls with well-labeled instructions, and both an electric key start or a manual start option in the event of a dead battery. Whether you are a private homeowner with extensive concrete projects, a contractor, or an equipment rental business, all Barreto equipment, like the 23CD concrete dumper, are powerful, efficient, easy to maintain, and will provide you with maximum return on your investment for years to come. Manufactured in the remote mountain community of La Grande, Oregon, the Barreto Manufacturing 23CD concrete dumper is proudly made in America by professionals that take pride in making the highest quality equipment. From laser cutting the parts out of American steel to the welding, powder coating, and final assembly, Barreto's professional staff makes every piece of equipment and tests it before loading it on a truck for delivery. Barreto Manufacturing is a company that stands behind its brand as one of the innovators in landscaping and tree service equipment.